Struggling to keep your notes organized and your to-do list under control? Imagine having a tool that not only helps you capture your ideas effortlessly, but also keeps them perfectly sorted and accessible. In today's video, we're diving into Google Keep, your ultimate note-taking companion. Go to your browser and search for Google Keep. Link is also given in the description. Another method to access Google Keep is click on this, scroll down, and access Google Keep. When you first open Google Keep, you'll see the Notes section. We'll dive into the other options on the left-hand side later. But for now, let's start by adding some notes. At the top of your screen is the Take a Note section. Clicking here opens up a new note where you can enter text or paste links and other information directly. You'll notice the cursor defaults to the body of the note rather than the title. Adding a title is optional, based on personal preference. Let's try creating a note with a title. If I type new note number 2 and add a title, you can see it doesn't drastically change the note's appearance, but can be useful for organization. Exploring additional features, let's look at reminders. Reminders are great for ensuring you don't forget important information or tasks. Clicking on reminders lets you choose from default times like later today, tomorrow, or next week, or you can set a specific date and time. After saving, a reminder badge will appear indicating when you'll be notified. You can also set location-based reminders, which are especially handy with the Google Keep mobile app. By typing a location, like a store, you'll get a reminder when you're near that location, perfect for shopping lists or tasks tied to specific places. Let's create another note for a new option. Next, let's talk about collaboration. You can invite others to view or edit your notes by entering their email addresses. Once added, collaborators can contribute to the note. Let's try it. I write down my another email here. Click on Save. Now let's check the other Google Keep account. You notice here the same note will appear here in my other Google Keep. Another feature is the ability to add color to your notes. Changing the color helps in organizing and visually categorizing your notes. For instance, you might use colors for tasks that need attention today. You see on top there are a few options here like New List, Note with Drawing, and New Note with Image. Let's start by this. Simply click on this, select an image from your device, and it will be added to your note. To remove an image, simply hover over it and select the Remove option. There is another way to import image to the note. Simply click on the note, and if you see down there among the options, there is Add Image option. Simply click on this and select image that you want to add to your note. Next, archiving is another option. Archiving moves a note out of your main view, but keeps it for later retrieval. Deleting is permanent, but archived notes can be accessed anytime from the archive folder. If you see that Unarchive option, click on this to move back notes on the front view. Now all the notes are here again. For more advanced options, click the More section. Here you can permanently delete notes, add labels. We will discuss it after a few moments. Next is Create Drawings. Let's check this option. Here you can create random drawing that will showcase your note. Go back and it automatically saved. You can also delete the drawings if you want. Simply click on this trash icon. Moving forward, you can create checklists within notes. Simply click on this and add some text. Instead of just text, a checklist allows you to mark items as completed, making it ideal for shopping lists or to do so. Now if you check an item, it goes down to the completed section. You can also uncheck it again. There's no need to open the note to check the item. You can do this in this Open section. You can also organize items within checklists into subcategories. Simply drag and move forward. The item will change into subcategory of the upper item. Now if you check the main category, all the items in this also goes into Complete section. And if you check the single item, it also goes as a subcategory in the Complete section. Go to More options here. You can also hide the checkbox. After that, your text turns into a simple text note. Go again and click on the checkboxes to get it as previous. Organizing your notes is simple with Google Keep's drag and drop functionality. You can rearrange notes within the grid or list view, depending on what suits your preference. I prefers to stay in grid view because in this view, we see more details at the same time. Pinning notes keeps important ones at the top of your list, separating them from others. Simply hover over a note and select the pin icon to keep it at the top. Multi-selecting notes is another useful feature. Click the checkbox on each note you want to select. Then you can apply actions like pinning, labeling, or changing colors to multiple notes. Labels are a powerful way to group and organize your notes. You can create labels like work or home appliances and apply them to notes. Let's add the label to notes. Simply go to these three dots and click on Add Label. Here you see the labels that we create. Select it according to note. Let's add to this one also. After adding, you see the label tag here. If you see on the left side, the labels we made also shown in this section. This helps in filtering notes by category when needed. Adding hashtags to notes is another quick way to assign labels. Archive notes are accessible via the Archive section, and trash notes can be found in the Trash tab. Notes in the trash are deleted after 7 days unless manually removed. You can also restore the deleted notes by clicking on this. Searching for notes is easy with Google Keep's search bar. You can filter by images, labels, colors, or collaborators, making it quick to locate specific notes. At the last of the topic, we will discuss settings. In settings, you can adjust how notes are added, top or bottom, manage list behaviors, enable rich link previews, and switch to a dark theme if preferred. You can also set default reminder times and control sharing options. Hope you all like the video. Way to explore Google Keep deeply. Give it a thumbs up, leave comments of your queries, and subscribe for more. Thank you.